KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ, CQ, CQ. From KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over. Kilo Delta 8, Juliet, Quebec. There's a familiar call. Good morning, Don. I'm in Fox Nancy 01 for your log, and looked like that transmission had a pretty nice signal, so I guess conditions must be okay. I did look at the map, and wow, map is pretty colorless. Propagation map isn't showing too much, so I guess we can't expect a whole lot. This is what you call flat conditions. KD8JQ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
Good morning, Stan. KD8JQ with Nancy 91, and let's see, you're 694, so we'll get that out of the way. Yeah, I barely heard Ed. Apparently he didn't hear me, so I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen today, but that's the way it goes sometimes, I guess. And going through my, going around my radio yesterday afternoon, and I forgot I got, when I first got this radio, I did plug in some CW that I could press a button and it sent, but I never tried it, so I might want to give that a try, see what you hear, over.
Yeah, I'd be interested to hear that, just because the you know, when you send CW, it's really nice if the CW comes out on the sideband frequency, but that's not the case with a lot of radios. A lot of radios, W8A and S has struggled at times and set up VFO-A and VFO-B on similar frequencies. For example, if the CW tone that the radio sends out is on the base frequency of 205.0, anybody listening on the sideband frequency, which would be 205.0 to 207.2 or 5, what's going to happen is they're going to hear like just chunks. They're not going to hear the tone. So what he does is he'll set his second VFO for 205.7, and then we'll get a 700 cycle note on 205. So let's hear what it sounds like without you doing any fancy shifting. Let's see where the radio itself is set up for. So send me some CW. Let's see how it works. KD8JQ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Now that is absolutely perfect. You are smack dab in the middle of the sideband frequency. So that's awesome. So that means anybody listening to me talking, if I tell them to go to CW, they'll be listening and they'll hear your note with about a 700 cycle note. So that's really, really good stuff. What was the radio? What's the radio that does that? Go ahead. Yeah, okay, good. Well, Yaesu 897D does it right. I think the TS2000 that I use, I think that could do that, but you need to go in and change one of the parameters in the menu. I think there's some radios you can change parameters. Some radios, just not easy. When you set the dial on 205, send CW, it comes out 205.0, and then everybody's got a tune for you, which makes it difficult, especially if they're trying to listen to me tell them that I'm hearing CW. Now they got to tune back to me to find me. I did see a remark on. Oh, here it is. KD8JQ heard, but at noise level. There's the report from AC3L. So AC3L at 604 is saying that he heard KD8JQ, but apparently you guys didn't complete the contact. Go ahead. Yeah, I just was I read something. So that last part, what was it that you say before you turned it over? I missed the last part of your transmission, Don. Just repeat the last part.
No, I just wondered if he heard me this morning because I can barely hear him. He's not a very strong signal, so we never did make contact over.
Yeah, right. Okay. Well, he did hear you. He did hear you, but he didn't talk about signal level. His comment was KD8JQ heard, but at noise level. So, in other words, you were acknowledged. He was acknowledging the fact that at least he knew you were in there, but no signal strength at all this morning. You know, that could be various reasons, conditions primarily, but Ed's got a few places on the hill that work better than others. And as he's driving the car, it all depends on what spot that is, I guess, as to whether the signal is going to be, heard or not. Okay, very good, Don. Well, congratulations on pretty good day yesterday. 6 QSOs. I heard you working a couple pretty good ones early in the morning. We hope those guys show up again today. Go ahead.
Yeah, there you go. Like I said, I looked at the map too. I didn't see any color. And I looked at the map on my phone and it showed the same thing yesterday. So I guess it did refresh it. But anyhow, maybe things change. Got 43 degrees here and dry at the moment. But finally heard the furnace come on. So it's getting like fall now.
Well, fall is here, and I guess we should expect that cooler weather. Interesting weather in Florida. I think I remember probably early last week saying that the temperature finally dropped into the 70s, I think, or was it maybe it was the 60s I was looking for, but it's 65 this morning. The number that's the really interesting number is it's only going to be 70 today. That's pretty low for a high temperature. We haven't seen. I don't remember seeing many days down in that neck of the woods since last winter. We'll see whether how long this cool front is going to last. Temperature out in Coudersport this morning was 37 and heading up for a high of 43 degrees. Both forecasts down here and in Coudersport are showing partly cloudy, partly sunny kind of weather. Not the greatest weather, but it's fall, like you say. Go ahead.
Yeah, there you go. I guess you better get your winter coat high. But, oh well. I think it stopped raining. I don't know if it's supposed to rain anymore. My weather thing is showing sunshine today, so we'll see how that goes. But anyhow, let you go at it and see what's out there. I gave a couple calls a couple times in the morning, didn't hear nothing but noise. So anyhow, we'll catch you a little later, Stan. KD8JQ, Echo Nancy 91.
Okay, very good, Don. Your signal up around 30 dB out of the noise most of the time. Very, very nice signal this morning. Pretty easy to copy as long as I'm concentrating high. Sometime I get distracted pretty easily. The air conditioner has still been going on, quite frequently. However, I can't believe with the temperature outside as cool as it is, the thermostat is set at 77. So I'm hoping that the air conditioner might not even turn on today. I can tell you that the temperature in the building is still the same, 77, as it was, when the air conditioner is running. So I don't know what that tells you. That just tells you that the cool weather outside wasn't cold enough to even drop the indoor temperature below what the thermostat setting was looking for. I don't have the heat pump running, so it's just the normal temperature in the building, I guess. Probably should open the windows. I bet you when Linda gets up, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're probably going to open the front and the back and let the cool air clean out all of the summer humidity out of the room. 73. Good morning. I'll talk to you later. KD8JQ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. CQ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
Kilo Juliet 4, Mike Charlie Zulu.
Kilo Juliet 4, Mike Charlie Zulu. Good morning, Dave. Good to hear you. Fox Nancy 01 and KD8JQ, I suspect, might want to turn his antenna your way, but looks like conditions are pretty bad. KJ4MCZ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
Okay, lots of clutter on your signal, and you probably just dropped down about 2x units. So weird things are going on right now. Over.
Yeah, okay, very good. Your signal probably about 15 dB out of the noise at the end. So I guess it's QSB, KJ4MCZ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Let me, well, I don't have my big antenna pointed down in your direction. I've got part of the small antenna's pattern down there at you. So let me hear what you sound like again. KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu. What's your weather like? Go ahead.
Currently, let's see, we're showing 46 degrees here, and looks like blue skies. So hopefully it's going to be a good one. A good weather for the paint buying. KJ4MCZ.
Wow. Okay. Well, it's fall has arrived. Fall has arrived. Yeah, about 15 dB. Pretty consistent, but not good. Not good. If you want to move your antenna over to KD8JQ. Can I help you out with that heading? I think you worked him yesterday, but I don't know whether today's going to be good enough. I'm sure he'd be willing to move his antenna in your direction. KD8JQ, I think, what did we say yesterday? It was about 330 degrees or something like that.
330, was that 330?
Okay, he's down there pointed in your direction right now. I'm going to make sure that that's the heading. I'm pretty sure it is. So KJ4, Mike Charlie Zulu. I'll give you the Kilo Delta 8 Juliet Quebec number, and it is 332. So move your antenna over there and start making noise and see if Don hears you. KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu. Go ahead and start calling KD8 Juliet Quebec. KD8JQ, go ahead. Grid square, Dave. Grid square, Dave. Over, Dave. Yeah, Dave, he's just looking for your grid square. He's got you, but he just wants to confirm your grid square. So KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu, please move your antenna back and shout out your grid square several times so that there's no question and Don can copy your grid square for an official contact. KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu, go back and give the grid square. Over, over.
Mexico 06. Foxtrot Mexico 06. Copy? Okay, 73. Thanks for the contact. KJ4MCV.
Okay, thank you very much for the contact, guys. That was a nice QSO, good solid one this morning, real confirmation and everything. That one's official. Put that one in the book. Log it, Dano, as they would have said on Hawaii 5-0. Aye, aye. I'm trying to look at Norway 8, Germany Charlie Papa down in Echo Mary 88. I've seen him check into the chat page, but I haven't heard him this morning, so I'm going to move my antenna down to Echo Mary 88 and see if I can raise his attention. And also Victor Alpha 3 Uniform Echo Tango checking into the chat page from FN03. He's got a 3-element Yagi up in FN03 that's really quite close to the ground. So there's probably little chance of you guys working him, but who knows? Who knows? CQ, CQ, CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 CQ. Over. Okay, Whiskey Delta 8, I think I got the call. Whiskey Delta 8, Juliet Foxtrot Tango. I hear you fine, but I'm just not sure if the call is correct or not. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, I'm in Fox Nancy 01. Fox Nancy 01. Whiskey Delta 8, Juliet Foxtrot Tango, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. My name is Stan. Go ahead. Okay, very good. Well, you got a good signal, and thank you very much for checking in from Echo Mary 99. And I missed your name. I missed your name. I'm looking up your name. I'm looking at your your identifier that shows you an Echo Mary 99 Germany Kilo. What is your name? Is it Ben Bravo Echo Norway? Is that what your name is? Go ahead. Okay, very good, Ben. Well, I appreciate the call. This is, I believe, our contact. Let you know that we try to be on every day, every morning, and there are a number of us on, and the only thing we're doing is we're a bunch of senior citizens, and we're exchanging grid squares most of the time. We all know what grid square we're in, but we kind of like to try to make an official contact. It looks like 2-meter conditions are always so inconsistent that it's a lot of fun to just test the waters almost on a daily basis. So that's what we're all about. I've got somebody down in Nelson, Virginia on frequency, down in Fox Mary 06, right on the North Carolina border. And then I've got somebody up in Medina, Ohio on frequency. And I know each one of those guys would love to try to listen to your signal. So if you got a way of knowing where to point your antenna and what does your station consist of, what's your antenna, what's your power level, Ben, and I can help you with coordinates. I can tell you where to move your antenna. So I'm excited. Whiskey Delta 8, Juliet Fox, Tokyo. What's your station? Go ahead. Okay, very good. Yeah, you do sound familiar, but well, let me see. The particular I'm working on a new log, and that's really what it is. I've got 944 stations in the log I have online here, and I did not have your call in there, but I do remember you. I do remember you. So for some reason, I must not have logged you that day. I must not have logged you that day. I'm going to write your coordinate in here so I can figure out where you need to point your antenna for these other two stations. I am KA1ZE, and you're supposed to be pointing your 17 element Yagi at 46 degrees to talk to me, and Kilo Juliet 4 Mike Charlie Zulu, you're supposed to point your antenna at 141. 141, if you got a piece of scratch paper, write down these numbers. KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu 141 degrees, and Kilo Delta 8 Juliet Quebec. Mark that one down too. KD8 Juliet Quebec is at 356 degrees, 350 degrees, I'm sorry. So which one of those two, and I hope you got time to try it, which one of those two would you be interested in? Go ahead.
Tomorrow, same time. I'll try to be here tomorrow at the same time, but if you're going to be on this frequency, I'll try to get in here tomorrow. Unfortunately, I've got to get going. I just wanted to give you a quick call to let you know that the band is halfway deep to Ohio. Over.
Okay, very good. Well, I'm going to let you go, and everybody else will talk to you later. And now that I'm looking up your QRZ page, I remember seeing you before, Ben. I remember seeing you before in your shack. So thank you very much for getting on and saying good morning to me anyway. And I'll look for you tomorrow, and the other stations will look for you as well. If somebody's hearing him right now and wants to say good morning, KA1ZE Portable 3 clearing with WD8JFT, give him a call, guys. Okay, Ben, I don't hear anybody else right now, so 73 and good morning. 73, thank you. Okay, 7-3, Ben. Thanks again for checking in. You really perked my interest with Echo Mary 99. Not a lot of activity there, so excited to have you on in 99. K8 Tango Quebec Kilo, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Good morning, Bob.
Yeah, good morning. Can I grab Don? Is Don on frequency?
Yep, KD8 Juliet Quebec. Go ahead and work K8 Tango Quebec Kilo. think you're probably watching here, Ron. So I think I'm going to have K8TQK try to work KJ4MCZ down on the North Carolina border, and then I'll move my antenna back up in your direction. Okay, and Ray, look at Ray, N3 Radio Germany, eager to try to hear your CW again. You really made his day the other day. Ray copied you quite well for 15 seconds or so. I'm sure that had something to do with the meteor storm. Probably the residual is what he was hearing. Conditions don't look so good on the map, though. KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu, are you listening to me? KJ4 MCZ, over. I don't hear KJ4 MCZ. I'm going to move my antenna out to W9 Zulu, Italy Hotel. W9 ZIH, moving the antenna his way. Okay, N3 Radio Germany has already moved Ron W9ZIH to 210, so I'll have to be patient, and I will be patient. CQ, 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 KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ, CQ, over. I will QSY to 210 and monitor, QSY to 210 and monitor. CQ, CQ, CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. Okay, K8TQK, I will give you number 3165, and eagerly await your number. Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, you're 1172-1172.
Okay, very good. Well, yesterday I was 4 behind you. I was 4 behind you. You were 61. I was 57. Today I am 7 behind you. You are 72 and I'm 65, disregarding the first two numbers. Wow, that's pretty cool, Bob. Go ahead.
Yeah, well, if you noticed on the chat page, I put a note about 222. My Q count was down last night on 222. Normally, in the last couple, 3 weeks, it's been 11 and 12 and thereabouts, but I had several stations missing last night. Bad weather, I guess. Over.
Yeah, okay, very good, Bob. Well, good on the count, good on the count. There's somebody else on CW. I was listening to TQK on sideband. Who's the other station? Go again. Yeah, QRZ CW. Well, that was pretty cool. That was Buzz. That was WA4 Germany Papa Mike. Nice long burn. I agree. I heard him coming through on CW. He sounded like a local. Unbelievable how strong he was. Clearly, he's not going to be there, but that's pretty exciting. All right, I'm going to get ready to. I will be getting ready to move over and work W9ZIH pretty soon, but good activity on 222 the last 2 weeks, Bob. That's great.
Yeah, the last 2 weeks has been good. Last time was just down a bit. Bad weather, a lot of rain. Temperature dropped from 58 down into low 40s last night. I'm going to grab the ZIH after you, okay?
Okay, very good. So I will tell Ron to come over here. ZIH, how about 205? All right, KA1 Zulu Echo, portable 3 CQ. N3 Radio Germany, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Good morning, Ray. Fox Nancy 01. Congratulations on working Ron. Very nice. N3RG, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
Yeah, I hear your antenna coming around or something. That was an amazing contact with Ron. 743 miles, 1,195 kilometers. He was solid S9 plus. We went to sideband, and I heard a complete transmission, and I heard him start to go down, his signal start to go down at the tail end, and that quickly he was gone. But to be on that long, it was a solid minute and a half. That was no meteor. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was a wide-body aircraft with a reflector on the belly.
Well, Ron often calls those belly bumpers. He calls them belly bumpers. I don't think that's what it was. It was a meteor. At the same time, I was on 205 and WA4 Germany Papa Mike. I got a full, complete call from WA4GPM down in Florida. On CW, no less, and he had heard my solid transmission prior to that. So you know how long-winded I am, Ray. That was just a nice big burn for sure. There must have been a planet landing. It must have been a planet going through our atmosphere. Over.
I don't know what it was, but I liked it. I'd like to see more of those. Yeah, when I asked him to go to 210. And I went to 210, and I heard him call me, and I was like, oh my God, I looked up at the S meter, he was over S9. I couldn't believe it. I said, hurry up, go for over so I can call you. And we did.
Yeah, that really is good stuff. That's good stuff, for sure. Always fun. And you know, that was a big meteor because the signal that GPM put in from Florida here was the strongest signal I've heard today from anybody. So you know, he would be stronger than what you are right now. That's how strong that was. So I'm sure that's exactly what took place with when you and Ron worked. That's pretty awesome stuff.
Yeah, man. And there was not a hint of it when I worked Bob. You know, Bob was a solid S3. There was no QSB. There were no pings. There was nothing. And then just that difference in distance, I guess, a little higher and or a little bit farther out, you know, with the Earth's curvature, whatever we were getting a good refraction from, stuck in there for a little while. And man, I heard all kinds of things from him while you were working him. Oh well, that's pretty cool. I'm going to look around a little more. I've got to do some errands this morning, but this has been fun. K1ZE and 3RG.
You know, it's interesting to do the math, Ron, on those meteors. You know, where was that meteor? Where was that meteor? It was clearly. I heard the big signal from Florida the same time you were hearing the big signal from Illinois. So my antenna, I did happen to have an antenna at Florida though, so that would suggest to me that that particular meteor was coming from somewhere south of me. But I don't know. You had your antenna pointed up to the you know, more out west northwest, I guess, and that would be not in the same direction. What direction is it to ZIH from your location? Over.
288 degrees. So it is. It's west northwest. 288 for me. Over.
Yeah, interesting. And we know the sweet spots from looking at the WSJT program. They can kind of help us out with a hot spot to look. So that meteor, gosh, I have no idea where it was. For me to illuminate that meteor, I was hearing it in my left ear, which was the antenna headed south. And I guess there could have been a couple of meteors, but it was so intense for me and so intense for you that I'm thinking it was the same burn. It was the same burn in the sky. So I just don't know where we could point our antenna to have that common sky and work in 90-degree directions, north, south, and east, west. Anyway, have some fun. We'll talk at you later.
Okay, Stan. KA1 Zulu Echo, portable 3, N3RG.
Okay, 7-3.
7-3.
Victor Alpha 3, Hotel Delta, KA1 Zulu Echo, Portable 3. Good morning, Sean. How goes the battle? Over.
Oh, pretty good. Yesterday was a pretty long day, pretty tired, but anyway, we're getting going here this morning. Go ahead.
Okay, very good. Well, already we've had a big, exciting meteor ray. N3RG completed a contact from FM29 out to W9ZIH with S9 plus signals. I heard the same meteor. You might have heard me talking to him about it. I mean, WA4 Germany Papa Mike, I heard him come through on CW louder than you. And he mentioned he heard a big burn on me, a big long burn. So I wonder, and it was all exactly at the same time. So it might have been the same meteor. Who knows? Maybe it was a couple of meteors, but it was interesting nevertheless. Over.
Definitely with some sort of a reflective material to get a distance that long for that long period of time. Well, that's good. How long ago was that?
Okay, well, Buzz just sent his message at 11:35, which was, now 15 minutes ago. So it was 15 minutes ago or thereabouts. And I was talking to TQK, and TQK was coming through on my right-hand ear, and my left-hand ear did have an antenna pointed down to Florida. And I heard GPM in there come back on CW, but didn't pay much attention, thinking it was just a local station that I would wind up working, saying, wonder why that guy didn't call me on sideband. Hi. You know how great my CW ability is. Over.
Yeah, well, Buzz also used to live locally up here, so sometimes he might have thought he was a local, but, that would have been a nice contact. Anyway, that's too bad I missed that. I actually was up. I just hadn't logged in and done anything yet. So anyway, good to hear you this morning. I have to get to work here, so I should probably get out the door. But good to hear you, and hopefully you get a few more of those this morning.
Well, they're always exciting. But I think you and I have probably similar thoughts. Your good location, I'm sure that you're looking to see who you can work all the time. And it's always great to catch an opening when something good comes popping through or the band is really enhanced. But for me, I just love to see what's available on normal band conditions. The enhancements are like gravy on top of the pie. Go ahead.
Absolutely. 400 miles for me is kind of a baseline, and then anything over that is starts to get maybe 450, 500, and then it gets really exciting. That's for sure. Anyway, I think I heard Will call in there, so I'll say good morning to him, BA3JWO, and I've got to get out of here, or at least get mobile, so I'll be listening on the remote there. CA3HC going portable. K1 are you here?
Oh, and I just stepped on somebody, Sean. I know K8TQK's roaming around looking for contacts too. KD8JQ's in here. lot of guys are on. So you have a good morning, KA1ZE Portable 3, and maybe there's somebody that wants to work you this second. Anybody want to try for VA3 HD right now?
Roger, TQK. I'm going to swing his way.
Okay, Sean, VA3 HD, K8 Tango Quebec Kilo wants to catch you quick.
All right, I'm turning the antenna, and that should be right on Bob there. Good morning, Bob. TQK, VA3 HD, M1014. Good morning, Sean. TQK, Echo Mike 89. You're 5 by 3, 5353, over. You got it, thanks. I won't hold you, good to hear you. Do you have snow yet? Do you have snow, over? No, not yet. Hopefully not for some time. And when we do get it, we'll send some your way. The guys up in Michigan are predicting snow by the end of the week. Snow for the Michigan guys at the end of the week. See you later, Sean. 7-3, Bob. I think VA3 JWO should be a nice 1-3 to 1-2. He's east of me about 40 miles. 7-3, VA3 HD portable. Roger, 7-3 JWO. Do you copy?
VA3 Juliet Whiskey Ocean, are you copying K8 Tango Quebec Kilo KA1ZE Portable 3?
VA3 JWO here. Sorry, I was just on the telephone. Who am I copying, over?
Well, we're hoping you're going to copy K8 Tango Quebec Kilo, Victor Alpha 3, Juliet Whiskey Oscar. You probably know his direction, but I'm going to give it to you anyway. K8 Tango Quebec Kilo, since my green sheet does a good job of that. 221 degrees, 80 watts your power level. You've worked K8 TQK before, so move your antenna in that direction. Bob's running more power, so I'll have him start calling you while you're sweeping your antenna. K8 Tango Quebec Kilo, please call Will, VA3 Juliet Whiskey Ocean. Go ahead, Bob. No, it's Victor Alpha 3, Victor Alpha.
Oh, got it. Victor Alpha 3, Juliet Whiskey Ocean, VA3 JWO, K8 Tango Quebec Kilo, over. Yeah, good morning. Kilo 8 Tango Quebec Kilo, Bob, good morning. K8 TQK. Victor Alpha 3, Juliet Whiskey Ocean. You copy very light. Victor Alpha 3. You copy your Tango Quebec Kilo. 3 Juliet Tango Quebec Kilo. Over.
Okay, I'll step in here and let K8 TQK know that Sean or Will copied you. Not real strong this morning, but he copied you and was giving you a long transmission when you gave him a second call. So there's your kilowatt is, or your 600 or 700 watts is making it up to Will, but I don't think the 80 watts is quite enough. So TQK, listen carefully, and I'll have JWO call you because he did hear you. He did hear you. So Will, do you have CW capability at all? I don't think you do, but is that set up for CW? Go ahead, Will.
Negative, Stan. My apologies. Yeah, I'm not quite that far yet. Unfortunately, I have a P, but I don't have the qualification. I don't really have the knowledge for CW rate currently, over.
Okay, well, this is a good reason why you want to try to work on that. I know that it's not easy. It took me many years before I could sort of learn the code, hi, and eventually, it'll come to you. It'll come to you. But you remind me quite a lot of VA3 ELE. Peter, who started out with really, you know, he started out with nothing, no CW ability at all, but realized that he wanted to work some good stuff. So he got cracking and he got learning the code. And Peter's doing a really good job now. He really does do a good job. So that's something to work on, something to work on. K8TQK, did you hear any sideband from Will? Go ahead, Bob.
Oh, sorry, negative. The noise is about S3, S4, so it's going to block his SSB. HD Sean was only 5.3, so there you go. I'll stand by. Thanks, Stan, for the relay.
Okay, and Will, you likely heard that. Bob can't quite pull you out this morning. He's got a little bit of noise in your direction, but Sean wasn't a real big signal this morning either. Sean was only 5.3 or so, so that's quite not as good as TQK normally hears them. You know, an easier solution, Will, would be a big amplifier. I think the CW is going to come, but that could come in a long time. Faster probably would be a shipment of a nice kilowatt amplifier, Will. Over.
Yeah, affirmative, Stan. Yes, I hear that. Roger, Roger. Yeah, well, we'll be looking at that eventually. We'll see what the funds bring in the next little while. But anyhow, yeah, we did copy TTK in and out there. I got a bit of a unit double this morning because that battery charger is still plugged in the shop, so it's bringing me about half that unit to a full. I can hear noise every now and then. But I can tell signals are a bit down this morning, Stan. I only have you about maybe 5.3 to a solid 3 this morning. So in really rapid TQK, you're extra about 10-15 minutes. I'll be back. Really,
Roger, Roger.
I was able to copy TQK a lot better. So anyhow, that's not too bad. I can copy any of my signal over 750 kilometers. That's pretty impressive. So thank you very much, Stan, for filling that one in for me. And we'll be definitely looking at amplifiers in the next little while. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 for VA3 JWO here on FM4Gpm.
Okay, well, real good. Well, great getting you in the log, of course, and always nice to hear when TQK called you, you immediately went back to him. So that shows me how well you were copying him. There was no question about whether Bob had stopped talking or not. You copied him quite well. So he's gone off for 10 or 15 minutes now, probably to grab a bite to eat or something. Maybe another cup of coffee, and he'll be coming back on. Yeah, your signal's down quite a bit, but I suspect you probably moved your antenna in the direction of K8TQK, and you probably don't have it at me. So at the moment when you were talking, I too would give you about a 5.3, but I think with the antennas better aimed, I'm sure that signal level would come up quite a bit. You have a good morning, and we'll talk to you in a little bit. VA3JWO, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
For the last transmission, so all right, 7-3, good sir. We'll be listening here for a little bit. VA3 JWO. Good morning, Sean.
Yeah, okay, that really is very poor condition. That's 15 decibels out of the noise, 1.5, and I believe that that's probably half the signal that normally we get to each other. I have my small antenna pointed up in your direction, but that's the one that I would expect to have probably a plus 30 kind of a signal, 30 dB out of the noise. So lousy local conditions as well. 73 and good morning. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Anybody else? Over. CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 CQ.
KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 W3 UAV.
1 minute, Ken. N1GC calling.
Good morning to you, Dad. It's FM13 here. It's cloudy so far. Well, maybe a little sun on the top of the
trees. But it's hard to tell what the day is going to be today, so we just have to wait and see.
Yeah, 1 minute, Gary.
Let's see what the mystery's all about before you know whether you want to see it or not. K10FO4 3W388.
Okay, Ken, very good. Let me stand by with you for 1 minute. I'm going to complete a call with N1 Germany Charlie. He's calling in my other ear, so I'll complete with him, and then I'll get right back with you, and we'll compare weather conditions. So here goes for Gary. Okay, good signal. That's got to be sideband quality. That's almost 15 dB out of the noise. Over, Gary. Blue antenna is the right-hand antenna. Blue antenna is the big antenna. The big antenna. Go ahead. Blue is always right. Red is always left. Okay, 7373. W2UAD, KA1ZE Portable 3. Ken, looks like 65 degrees in Florida, heading up for a high of 70. What do you think about that? Over.
Well, I think it's probably comfortable for a change. But you know, I think if I were paid for a seaside vacation down there, I might be a little disappointed. It's going to be hard to see shadows on the beach in that weather. And I guess, so you won't even know if the sun's up or not. Anyway, we are seeing some sun at the top of the trees, so it looks like it's going to be a sunny day maybe. And hope so anyway. Yesterday it was about 72 here for the high, so it was a little cooler than it's been, but not bad for October. I guess as far as it goes, why the plans for the day, not too many plans. Yesterday I had a daughter bring my laundry to me, all folded, put it all away, and I did a few other things like cleaned out my coffee maker while I was busy eating. I had my dinner, and so I had a cup of coffee to go with my dinner, and it refused to brew because it was plugged with the old coffee stuff. And so I guess it's nice to have people help out like that around the house. And so she also put a curtain up for me. And I guess I'm getting spoiled. I'm getting spoiled, Stan. But we used to have a sign in the kitchen, maybe we lived long enough to be a burden to our kids. I think I lived too long. I'm a real burden to the kids. W2UAD.
W2UAD, KA1 Zulu Echo, Portable 3. Well, now, Ken, I think the question would be, you should ask your daughter if you're a real burden to her. You don't want to make that decision at all. I'm sure her opinion is not the same. I'm sure her opinion is not the same of you, Ken. So, but it is always great to have the help and somebody there to work with you. Yeah, we find I went to the dentist yesterday myself, Ken. So after 3 caps were put on my teeth and spending well, from 1:30 in the chair till 5:30, 4 hours in the dentist chair. I needed a little bit of help. Hi. Getting up, I had to get my sea legs back, Ken. W2UAD, KA1ZE, Portable 3.
Well, you sound like you had a fun afternoon. Oh boy, that's a lot of time in a chair as far as that goes, and probably a little expensive time spent as well. But you know, actually, she says that she doesn't mind, but she told me, don't ever talk to my husband and tell him that I can do the things that I'm doing here because that's his job at home. I hope he didn't have a bug in my house so he could hear what was going on, because she was very good at doing these things. And but she says that's his job, and don't you ever let him know that I can do it. But you know, quite seriously though, they've had a lot of traveling as well. They were in Gettysburg last week taking tours of the battlefield and so forth. And so they were there 3 days, I think, in all. Sort of a short vacation. And so I guess they're having fun. And I guess as far as it goes, he's trying to make every ballpark, every major league ballpark in the country sooner or later. And they've actually been to all the states, including Hawaii and Alaska. So I think they do quite a bit of traveling. And so, but they don't live too far away from me as far as that goes. They're about 3 miles maybe at the most. K1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 W2UAD.
Okay, Ken. Well, very good. I know there are a lot of people that try to do that. You know, mix a little bit of pleasure and you know, with a little pleasure in seeing the country at the same time. So they travel to ballparks. I was not really ever into baseball that much. That wouldn't be something I would do. But I'll tell you, if Neil Diamond performed in every state, I wouldn't be surprised if we'd get to see all 50 states. That probably could happen. Hi. Ken, I've got a station I'd like to try to work in upstate New York. He's in FN 33, and he might be listening right now. He's on the chat page. He worked me the day before, so when I saw Rick check in, I got excited and wanted to move an antenna his way. So why don't I call it a morning with you right now? We can pick it up a little bit later. And VE3 Mike Lima Mike wants you on 215, but maybe Bob will get me in the log before he moves up to 215, Ken. So VE3 Mike Lima Mike, are you hearing me right now? KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
Roger,
Okay, Bob, you want to look at that number, do some research if you possibly can. My sheet says 765 is history. My sheet says 765 is history, and I would like to confirm 766. But the only thing I have is these numbers written down on the page. So did I do something wrong? Go ahead.
Well, give me a sec here. I'll check that out. Doggone it. Don't like to hear that.
Bob, it may be a senior moment on my part. I'm looking at my numbers right now, and I have 763, and then I have 765. So it may very well should have been 764, and I wrote 765. So I'm going to accept your number as 765, and the other contact I made and logged as 765, I think should be 764. Go ahead.
Well, for some reason, my numbers are off here in my log. I've got to check into that, and I don't know why, but I lost that column. So, my paper log going back to the 21st was 763, and then on the 23rd was 764. So today should be 765.
Bob, I'm gonna write that down as 765, and again, there's an omission in my log for 764. It's apparently a number I skipped over, but I don't know why I would have done that. Very strange for me to do that, obviously. But I don't have as good a record as you, although it's coincidental that you're getting 765, and if I missed 764, my number also would not be 766 but 65. Very confusing, but Bob, I'm going to settle on 765. VE3 Mike Lima Mike, top of the morning, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
So, the paper log, I'll go with the paper log right now, which says 765. And the next time I talk to you, we'll verify that. So, unfortunately, 765. Appreciate the contact, and have a great day, Stan.
Okay, thank you very much, and I think Ken is waiting to go to 215 with you. So thank you, Bob, and thank you, Ken.
Okay, thank you, Stan. 730, and see you on 215 WTUA.
K2 Germany, Boston, 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 KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 calling, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 calling, K2 Germany, Boston, over, over. Yeah, K2 Germany, Boston. I don't know whether you're hearing my sideband or not, but you're 0 beat. I'm about 700 cycle note higher than you. Are you copying my sideband this morning? Over, over. K2 Germany Bravo. Let me try sideband. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm hearing you. I don't know whether you're hearing me or not. You're very strong. K2 Germany Bravo, K2 Germany Bravo, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over, over, over. Okay, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, looking for a frequency check. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over, over, over. Okay,
K1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 from Whiskey Alpha 1 Echo Alpha Zulu, over.
Okay, WA1 Echo Alpha Zulu. I hope I'm on the right frequency right now. WA1 Echo Alpha Zulu, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Obviously, I've been doing something wrong. Been trying to get a hold of K2 Germany Bravo, and I'm hearing him just fine, but I guess I'm not being heard. I hear you, WA1 Echo Alpha Zulu, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Over, over. Okay, K2 Germany Bravo. Now I'm hearing you. I guess I got messed up and was on the wrong frequency. My apologies. I was hearing you fine. I have a split receive and transmit, so sometime I get messed up. K2 Germany Boston. Good signal low. Fox Nancy 01. Go ahead, Rick. Okay, I got two stations, K2 Germany Bravo, and I got WA1 Echo Alpha Zulu. So thank you very much, John. Thank you for FN42. Thank you for FN42. Please let me finish with K2 Germany Boston. K2 Germany Boston, Fox Nancy 01. Roger, Roger, Rick, over. Okay, Roger, Roger, WA1 Echo Alpha Zulu, 73, John, 73, 73. K2 Germany Boston. Let me move my antenna back in your direction again. We want to get this completed correctly. K2 Germany Boston, K2 Germany Boston, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 to K2 Germany Boston. Over, over. K2 Germany Boston, 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 KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 calling, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 ZE Portable 3, over, over. No, I don't think he's hearing me at all. K2 Germany Bravo, K2 Germany Bravo, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, 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 over, over, over. Yeah, K2 Germany Boston, I hear you quite well. I hear you quite well. Are you copying me? Are you copying me? Over, over. Yeah, K2 Germany Boston is on frequency here, FN33. K2 Germany Bravo, K2 Germany Bravo, K2 Germany Bravo, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over, over. Alice, are you copying me? WA1 Radio Kilo Sugar, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Yeah, okay. I think there's a frequency problem. K2 Germany Bravo is transmitting like on 205.0, so, but I don't know where he's hearing me. I don't think he's hearing me at all. Ellis is supposed to be on frequency too, Bob, so Ellis is very close to Rick, K2 Germany Boston, hoping Ellis will be able to give me a hand. Ellis, are you here? KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3? Okay, K2 Germany Bravo is in FN33. He is in, let me see. He's in, I'll tell you the name of the town, Ellis. Don't have it right in front of me. Doggone it. He is in, coming up right here as soon as the computer works, Salem, New York. Salem, New York. K2 Germany Boston is in Salem, New York. WA1 Radio Kilo Sugar 5 and 2, KA1 ZE Portable 3. Okay, I'm copying him quite fine, but he doesn't come back to me. He's sending now. I know when he sends because I can see him and I can hear him. He's 5 by 5. He's stronger than you, Alice, but I don't know whether he's not hearing me or just not on the right frequency. So thank you, Ellis, for the QSO. WA1RKS, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3.
Roger, roger. Yeah, nice take that time, Stan. 5959. Okay, we'll fling north and listen for GB. 7373, thanks for the QSO. KA1ZE Portable 3, WA1RKS. 73, Stan.
Okay, real huge, 25 dB out of the noise now, Ellis. K2 Germany Boston, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over, over. I don't think he hears me, so Ellis, good luck. He's on the chat page, so hopefully you can straighten out the frequency issue, but maybe he's just not copying very well today. That could be. 73, Ellis. Okay, W1 Charlie Oscar Tango, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Good morning, Bob. Fox Nancy 01. Okay, W1 Victor David, Fox Nancy 01. Thank you, Jay. Sorry for messing you up on 200. I was trying to get a hold of GB, who I found calling CQ down there, or not CQ. He was just calling me down there. So I was down 500 cycles. Hopefully I didn't mess you up.
No problem at all. Yeah, Bob was just on here talking to Ellis, so he probably wasn't pointed your way when you called him. No problem, Stan. That's going to be your hardest contact of the day. K1ZE, W1VD.
Okay, and K1PXE FN01. Jay, I can't give up on K2GB. Maybe you can find him on the chat page and see if you can find out what's up. He's you know, I clearly am hearing him very, very well on whatever frequency he's on, but he's not on the normal frequency. I think he's 0 beat, and I'm not sure if he's using an RIT or what. I don't know. K1PXE FN01.
Sounds like you moved the antenna a little bit toward me. FN31 and good morning, Stan. We had a ton of rain here, good 3 inches down this area, so we got quite a bit of rain yesterday. And but it all stayed outside of the house, and the only way it got in the house is through the faucets, like it's supposed to. K1ZE, K1PXE.
Oh, Peter, very good. Well, it's good having the water come out of the faucets, I guess. Hi. It was 65 degrees this morning, heading up for a high of 70. Now, that's going to be some trick watching the locals walk their dog with their jackets on this morning. Over.
Oh, boy. Yeah, well, set up in the 70s. You know, the folks around here are going to get shocked. Because the average temperature's been hanging about 15 to 20 above normal average. Low and high average. Not just the highs. It's 20. Matter of fact, the highs haven't really been that super high. They've been around 20 degrees above normal, too. 15 to 20. When you put that down to normal, the folks are going to go,
Well, yes, it is. Winter is coming closer and closer and closer. I would say by February we may actually have to wear a jacket or something. I don't know. They are talking about cool weather. It's going to be in the 40s, I think, tonight. That definitely is going to freeze some of these folks in the outer perimeters. We probably are going to make it down into the 50s in Pinellas County. All right, 73. Let me talk to Bob before I move the antenna again. W1 Charlie Oscar Tango, KA1ZE, portable 3.
This ring gets me all confused with this thing. Yes, the machine is like all the way up the phone. So I get all fused up in the wrong way. Anyway, I didn't hear you come back last time, so I went to grab Ellis while I could, and I haven't heard Northern Beat on, though. Anyway, the weather here is lousy. Good rain, but otherwise kind of murky overhead right now. The rain stopped for a while, and that's supposed to pick up again this afternoon, I think. And then tonight, and even tomorrow for that matter. So we got a couple rainy days with showers ahead of us. We got quite a good rain though here yesterday, last night really. We had most of it, and so we needed that. Right now it's a low overcast, about 65 degrees, and humidity is right up 99%. Although the wind is down anyway, it's calm. K1ZE, W1COT.
Yeah, okay, very good, Bob. Well, nice to see the changes in weather. And all confused this morning. This frequency stuff is tough. Bob, I don't know why we don't have radios that always put out a signal. Put the signal either in the sideband band or. I think that's what we would like to do, but I guess some radios go 0 beat. I think that's what messes everybody up, and it does have me all flustered this morning. Hi. I'm jumping back and forth, and oh boy, it was just awful. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. I've got to move my antenna in another. I think KJ4 Mike Charlie Zulu may want to try to work you guys. Stand by 1 minute. Let me see if that was KJ4 MCZ. Dave, was that you breaking in? Over. No, it wasn't Dave. Okay, Bob, sorry for my distraction, and I will talk to you later, maybe after you work Andy this morning. W1COT, KA1 Zulu Echo, Portable 3.
Well, your signal's up good this morning. You're 35 dB above the noise there that time on the peak stand, so that much is working okay at the moment. Anyway, you know, this business of the zero beat and the CW offsets and all that, well, your rig has the same problem mine has. It doesn't do it automatically. You have to do it yourself. But whereas all the other rigs seem to do that very easily. But on the way I've got mine rigged up, I have to labor to do it. I refuse to do it the way they suggest doing it, which is set up two receivers, one for CW, one for phone, and then you click between the receiver and the, or transceivers, I should say, and change it that way. But I don't know. I don't like that for some reason. And it clutters up the screen with two band adapters and two receivers. Anyway, see you later, Dan. K1ZE, W1COT.
Yeah, and Andy was good yesterday with a big sideband peak. We talked to him on sideband real well yesterday.
Okay, good, Peter, on talking to Andy on sideband. Couple of interesting things happened this morning. Now I've got my adrenaline has slowed down enough, Bob, where I can concentrate again and make sense. Maybe you'll make more sense of what I'm talking about. Hi. Yeah, as far as the frequency thing goes, I know what you mean. However, operating with a split like I do is challenging, because you know that sometimes I transmit on different frequencies. There are a couple of reasons for that. One, there's always the senior moment when I actually do something that messes everything up. That's probably more normal. But I also sometimes can tune my transmitter to a frequency that I think I should be on, and lo and behold, I'm not on that frequency at all. So there's just some kind of computer disconnect between the two. That happens sometime too. So when some station you hear, you know, a good 559 on CW on 205.0, and you continually go back to him, you don't know whether maybe you should change my frequency by 600 or 700 hertz lower, thinking maybe he's listening there. I don't really know. You kind of have to be in the shack. So sometimes the narrow CW filters automatically kick in on CW, and if I'm 700 kcs away or 700 hertz away, the other station's not going to hear me. And and if they're not using an RIT, they won't find me either. So you never know. And the interesting thing I wanted to say is W9ZIH this morning completed a contact with N3RG with 5.9 plus signals, a big long meteor burn, exactly at the same time. WA4 Germany Papa Mike reported hearing me with a real big signal. He sent his call in CW, and I didn't believe it. It was a call. It was over S9. So I think that how can that possibly be? The east-west path from RG to Illinois, and the north-south path from me to Florida, coincidentally happening two meteors is probably not likely. I would think it was the same meteor we bumped off of, but I don't know how the antennas could have lined up with the same meteor. Go ahead, Bob.
Well, I don't know. It could have been either way, like you say, but don't forget you got a relatively wide beam, so that could happen, I think. The signal's quite strong, so you pick it up to, you're pointing halfway in the right direction. I don't know, a lot of possibilities. And of course, it could have been two meteors, so we'll never know. Well, sometimes we get meteors, random meteors that where you say, how the heck could that happen? I got them on Andy, for instance, quite often, and even on Pete, backscatter of some kind. But we have no idea where the meteor is and how it happened. So that kind of stuff mixed in with kind of a meteor shower makes it very confusing. K1ZE, W1COT.
Yeah.
Where did that meteor go, or where can it be?
I stepped on you for the first part of that, Pete, but I understood you were talking, so I unkeyed, and now I'm sorry I unkeyed. But, okay, Bob, very good. Well, I had two antennas at that time, one pointed west and one pointed south. The small antenna pointing south where GPM was, he definitely came through real loud in my left ear, the antenna that was pointed to the south. And that's the other thing I've noticed too, that it definitely is true that unless the station is a long way away, it looks like my small antennas always are better on meteors than the large, tall top antenna. That top antenna not illuminating as much of the horizon. I'm picking up meteors much better on the fat pattern antenna, Bob. But if they're far away, the top antenna seems to work better. You know, something like 1,000+ miles, Bob. Over.
Yeah, I've noticed the same kind of thing with my antenna being kind of sharp. You know, it works better on the long range stuff than it does on the short range. And I sometimes get contact the other guys don't get because of that. Like, you know, out into West Texas or Oklahoma, down in there, on a meteor. You know, you skip also, same kind of thing happens there. So, it's difficult to analyze though when you don't have a picture of what's really happening. It makes it kind of fun in a way because it's always a little bit of a mystery involved. Anyway, I got to keep cranking, I guess, Dan. I only got 6 contacts. You're number 6, and I'm making a lot of noise. K1 City, there'll be 1 COC.
Okay, very good. We'll say 7-3, and thank you very much. Thank you very much. And K2GB worked W1 Victor David, so maybe my signal's just not making it to K2GB this morning. He certainly is plenty loud out here, though. Okay, 7-3, Bob. 7-3, Peter. KA1ZE, Portable 3, going to move an antenna out to Tennessee or Kentucky.
Go west, young man. Go west.
Oh boy, I got to move an antenna. My good friend is back from Colorado. N9 EGT's in here too. So I promised Mikey I would give him a call. So Wayne, stand by a minute, and then I'm picking you up next. There were several stations in there calling, and hopefully I can get my antenna to turn. It doesn't turn very fast, that's for sure. So as it's turning, I'll keep talking. Somebody's maybe hearing me. They're probably wondering where that guy went. He was just here a minute ago, but he's not here anymore. Hi. KY4MRG, KY4MRG, KA1 Zulu, Echo, Portable 3. Over.
Go ahead, Mike.
Okay, Mikey, Roger, KY4MRG, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, 5 and 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 1, 5 and 2, Fox Nancy 01, over. Roger, QSL the 4 and 1, QSL the 4 and 1. Thanks for your patience, Mikey. Thanks for your patience. KY4MRG 7373, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Roger, 737373. Thank you, K8TQK. Thank you, K8TQK. I'm going to try to move my antenna a little bit and say good morning to N9 Echo Germany Tokyo. N9 Echo Germany Tokyo. I can't get the antenna to move. Come on, antenna, move. N9 EGT KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Over.
Yes, good morning, Stanton. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 from N9 EGT here in good old Indiana. We had a great trip in Colorado, Worked a few stations, including K9SLQ with my QRP and a wire. Otherwise, I've heard you a couple times here this week, but just didn't get a chance to connect with you. You were busy. So, good morning, Stan, and we're doing well. Over.
Oh, terrific. Well, I'm so glad you had a good visit with your son out there in Colorado. Always nice. The pictures are very pretty. Never been to Colorado. I haven't been there, so I don't know. I guess everything we see is beautiful. Everything is beautiful, but I'm sure there are dirty parts of the city as well. And fine on the contact with K9SLQ. That was pretty interesting. I suspect that was 40 meters. 40 meters, Roger?
It was 20 meters. We got on 20. And by the way, SLQ has been on the new band, 630 meters, 630 meters. We didn't talk on that, though, of course. But I have also been on that and made 3 contacts with digital so far. So we got 3 of us here, MRI, Joe, and Wayne and me. We've all been on that 630-meter band. Over.
Oh, first of all, commenting, your signal sounds great today. 30 dB out of the noise, Wayne. Really, really good. And yeah, I talked to Joe. Joe mentioned working stuff on 630 meters. I think he mentioned he had, I think he was describing his antenna. He has a wire on the side of his antenna, on the side of the tower. He has an offset wire. That's what he's feeding, I believe. I think that's what he was telling me. That's interesting. How in the world do you transmit there? How do you receive there? Did you build a converter? Your regular transceiver doesn't go on that band. How did you get on the band? Over.
Okay, well, I'm pretty primitive right now. I'm using my TS2000 as a receiver. You can receive down at 474.2, and that's where they have the digital stuff. And then Wayne, K9SLQ, bought a transfer for about $100. You can get those, and they operate on 80 meters and convert, of course, to the frequency. So I have it rigged up with a TR switch and transmit on 80. It gets converted to 474 kilohertz, and then I receive on the TS2000. And just using my wire in the backyard, it's not the best setup yet. I'm going to try to add some more wire to it. It's about maybe close to 350 feet with everything connected. I put my dipole on it too and connected everything together. Over.
Okay, very interesting. And as I remember talking to Joe, I think you're limited in power to something very small. Is it an ERP thing that you have to maintain power levels, or is it a real clear power level? Over.
I'm not even sure about that. My SWR I can't measure right now. I just try to make sure nothing smokes. But I made a contact with Pennsylvania and then with Joe and Wayne, so that's my primitive start. I've just been on the last couple days. So I was thinking it was 5 watts. I don't think it's emitted power. Boy, I'll have to look again. The Wayne has more than that, so I'm not sure about that, Stan. Over.
Yeah, okay. That thought ran through my head because I was talking to somebody, and I remember talking to Joe about that band just a little bit, but the recollection, that's sticking in my head was something to do with ERP, which obviously you could run a whole lot more power, but I thought maybe the ERP might have been a half a watt. Maybe that's what it was. But anyway, the inefficiencies in your system certainly are killing your power. and you're not making any attempt to tune anything. You're just plugging an antenna in. So there's no tuner. You can't look at Visuar, as you mentioned. So it's just plug the antenna in and transmit. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I just put a long wire on it, and Wayne said, touch this component here, and if it gets real hot, you got to be careful. And that's the old-fashioned way there, Stan. By the way, TQK is on there too. He might have a comment. But otherwise, yeah, that's what I've done. Like I said, I'm just playing with it. Been on Whisper. If you probably know what Whisper is, and got some reports. But the contacts I made were with a couple other emissions, let's see, FT5, I think it's called, and JT9. So those are new emissions. FT8, maybe it's called. And they're all with that Joe's K1JT, his software. And that's where most of them are at. Wayne and I can do it with sideband, and we can do it with CW, but we've been playing mainly with digital.
Okay, real good. Well, it really sounds super interesting, and Wayne, it reminds me of my very first experience with ham radio, and I think KATQK wants to add you as a contact today. Bob and I are collecting contact numbers, and Bob is somewhere's up around 1,100 and over 1,160 contacts on 2 meters since July 1st. So please make sure you give him a contact this morning, and KD8JQ might also be in there looking for you. He's almost up to 700 contacts for the year. So those are a couple fun things we're doing. But I remember sitting under the sink with a long wire connected to my crystal radio, and me with a clip lead grounding to the drain on the sink, and listening to a local radio station that was only a few miles away, like 25 miles away. And the thrill that is really what spurred me to go on to ham radio. And I always remembered my mother, how much well, she really was very impressed with what I was doing. And as you know, if you're a little kid, I'm sure I was probably only about 10 years old, and your mom is very interested and impressed with what you're doing. That kind of spurs you on. So you brought back a lot of good memories of that situation. N9EGT, go ahead and work a couple of others, Wayne. I'm glad to hear you this morning. KA1ZE Portable 3.
Picture of my tiny station. You'll get a kick out of it. Right now it's just laying on the desk, a circuit board with some relays. But thank you, Stan, and 73CU. I'll swing the beam to TQK and just give him a quick one. Over.
Okay, maybe KD8JQ's pointing at you right now. He may be hearing you. JQ, are you hearing him right now?
Quebec. I didn't get the right to call down. Good morning, and your Q5 copy here in Echo Nancy 70, N9EGT, over. Okay, Kilo Delta 8, Julia, Quebec. I got you down there. I don't have my cheat sheet out here. I try to write down all the contacts. It's been about a month since I've been on here. So, boy, there's a lot of calls, and I've been on all kinds of bands, HF, as well as that medium frequency now. So we've tried that.
You've got mail.
So, anyhow, good morning to you. And, it's kind of a cool day, of course, in Indiana. We got fall weather now. In Colorado, the sun would shine every day. That was so nice. And it was warm in the sun, even though a few times it was colder there than Indiana, but it was really nice. The mountains are awesome. We had a great time walking trails and being with family. So let me please, QB8 JQ, Juliet, feedback from M90 GT.
731, glad you had a good time. And forward here, 42 degrees. So that's the way it goes. We're in fall, I guess. Anyhow, good hearing you again, and take care and stay dry and warm.
Yeah, I think the birds, I see the birds here, and yeah, it's kind of bother. It's like, the water just rolls right off. I guess that's the oil in its feathers.
7 degrees, Don.
It's like they barely acknowledge that it's raining. Get you in here all the time, so here's that 1 DD. They used to have official observers, OOs they were called, and they would send out reports to people that had bad signals or out of bands or harmonics and other bands or poor operating habits. So the old observers thing. I don't know if that still exists.
CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. CQ from Fox Nancy 01, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, CQ. CQ from Fox Nancy 01, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Yeah, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Call again. I copy. Over. Yeah, hi Dan. K1 Bravo X-Ray Canada, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over. I hear K1 Bravo X-Ray Canada, K1 Bravo X-Ray Charlie, K1 Bravo X-Ray Charlie, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, over. Okay, good morning, Dan. About 25 dB out of the noise. Good signal, not as strong as sometime, but not too bad. I hear you talking to John, but I couldn't get a hold of you too well. It looks like you were pointing in another direction, over. Okay, Dan, very good. Everything is fine here. We're all doing good. Temperature 65 degrees, heading up for a high of 70, heading up for a high of 70. Sounds pretty nice. Over, over.
Well, it's 63 here, cloudy. We had over 2 inches of rain last evening through this morning, and they're saying we're going to get more. Anyway, I don't want to pass the frequency. Just want to say good morning and thank you for the contact. K1Z3, K1VXA.
Okay, very good, Dan. We'll say 73 to you and tell Joan, Linda, and I said hi, and we will catch you later. K1BXC, KA1 Zulu Echo, Portable 3. And John, I don't think I've talked to you yet. Over, over. Good. Okay, John, thank you for FN31, K1VDF, good copy this morning. Fox Nancy 01, and yeah, we all could use the rain. A couple days ago, we had unbelievable rain here in Florida. It really was wonderful. Linda and I sat out on the lanai and listened to that really heavy rain clobbering our metal lanai cover. So it really sounded awesome. It sounded awesome, and the gutters could not keep up. The gutters could not keep up. The water was overflowing the top of the gutters. Extremely hard rain. 73, John, thank you very much for FN31, and good to hear you. K1 Victor David Fox, KA1 Zulu Echo, Portable 3. Okay, 73. Yeah, we had huge, the drought we had earlier this year was unbelievable. Lots of fires and everything. We were so many inches below normal that I didn't think we would catch up, but we certainly have caught up and then some. 73, we'll talk to you later. KATQK, good morning, Bob again.
Roger, yeah, I just finished with Whiskey Charlie 4 November Mike on 2 and 220, so I'm available if anybody else wants to play.
Okay, I don't have any players out to the east at all. Looks like more activity going on out to the west. WC4N has not gotten in my log yet, so I will be moving an antenna down in his direction, and hopefully I can get him to, or get to find him. Hi. He does do a good job up here from 86 for sure. Nice talking to Wayne. Have you been bit by the 630 meter bug yet? I found that pretty interesting. Over.
It's interesting, but no, I haven't been bugged yet. I do have the space to do something on that band, but it's it'd be cool. I'll see what those guys continue to do. But right now, I'm just trying to get everything I have going, working again. Yeah, go ahead and grab Mike. He was outside on CW sideband here on 2.
Okay, very good. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure K9 MRI worked Hawaii. I think K9 MRI worked Hawaii on 630. I think that's what he told me the last time I talked to him, which is amazing. They're running such low power. So I probably don't remember it correctly, but it seems as though that's what he had told me. Anyway, it was good to get Wayne back from Colorado, who had a big signal. All right, I've got my antenna down at Tennessee, and I'm going to be looking for Whiskey Charlie for Norway, so I'll send a CWCQ.
Roger, I'll stand by.
Now WC4N is so weak I can't believe it. He must have his antenna somewhere else, or he must be running QRP power.
He was S9 here, Stan, so he just must be in a trough.
CQ, CQ, CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. CQ, CQ from Kilowatt Alpha 1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 CQ.
Did you get Mike, Stan?
Okay, WB7, Peter, Mike, Peter. Good morning, Ron. I got K8 Tango Quebec Kilo in here too, if you haven't said good morning to him. You're sounding pretty good. I was looking for W Charlie 4 Norway and an Echo Mary 86, but can't find him right now. Can't find him. So good to hear you this morning. How are things going with you? Over. Yeah, okay, Ron, very good. Well, you're okay. That's about 10 dB above my noise floor, so I don't think conditions are really very good. Propagation map, as you've already looked, I'm sure, is not showing too much color, not showing anything at all, but flat conditions, 444 miles, that's not too shabby. That's not too shabby. And appreciate the contact. Now, as far as the bank goes, you must understand that unless you can find your deposit, payrolls are going to need to be met in a couple days, and I'm sure the bank is going to be a little bit shortchanged. You better find the deposit pretty soon. Over. My signal peaked up to 20 dB out of the noise. K8 Tango Quebec Kilo is listening to us. I know not great DX, but kind of must remind you of home. Why don't you spin your antenna over there? Just take a minute. He's counting up numbers of QSO'ds like I am, so I appreciate it if you would also get in his log. Back over to you, WB7 PMP, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. Okay, very good, Ron. Well, always great to hear your signal. Echo Mary 95, well represented with you and Gary. So Bob's waiting, and then you get on the way to the bank. Hi. 73, we'll talk to you maybe tomorrow. I hope to be on. 73, WB7 PMP 73.
Yeah, well, my last name is Dylan.
73. Okay, we got WB7 Papa Mike Papa just calling you, Bob, down in Echo Mary 95. Do you need a coordinate for that? Over.
No, but WC4N is now looking your way
Okay, will you go down and talk to WB7PMP? He's waiting for you right now, over.
Yeah, I'll take him up down. I'll take him down 5. You go ahead and grab Mike there.
Okay, very good. Go down 5 for TQK. Go down 5 for TQK. CQ from KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3. KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 CQ. CQ, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3, KA1 Zulu Echo Portable 3 CQ.
sure it was the same meteor because ZIH was reporting the same as you, and unfortunately I didn't have the antenna where I could appreciate it, but I have worked Buzz this year. It was a struggle, but I got him in the log. Matter of fact, I think he's my only Florida right now. Anyway, let's see here. I talked to PMP, and it's 10 o'clock. Let me let you go. You got to get out of there. K1 QK. By the way, the current total Q count since July is 1696 right now. Over. Although for me it was a rough contest. It was really, really, really rough, I tell you. See you later, and we'll do bragging rights in the morning. Hi. Hi to Linda, please. K1ZE43 ATQK clear. And she had to stay on because of not only our family but work. Because a lot of times that's the only way we get to communicate with several family members. So she's hanging in there, but she's been on Facebook for